So, how to use the foot placement array? Of course, download it from the tool manager. Then on an object that has an animator, it's only for humanoids, just drag and drop the foot array. Okay, you can add the offsets to what you want. The offset Y means is how far up from the base transform we are starting our raycasts. Then the base offset is just a little bit of an offset, so you're not actually touching the ground, so we can ignore a ground layer. And then on the fit offset is basically because the bone from the floor could be a little bit usually has an offset, so that basically just fixes so the fit will look in that correct position. Then open up the script and just see what layers you want to interact with or not. And on your animator you need to assign the right foot and left foot animations, float parameters. So whenever you want the fit array to be enabled, just assign a curve for the right foot and the left foot. Okay, for this idle, I basically have the curve to have only to always be on. Then when we are jogging for our shows like project, for example, when we are jogging, you can see down here that we pretty much smooth out the values. You can of course make it a little bit more of an elegant result, but yeah, that's all you need to do. You can control the weight of the array with these curves. Okay, let's see it in action. And voila, you see that we have the array, and now I'm actually using this at right time. Now for the purposes of explaining how the array works, I'm not changing the height of the controller, so that's why you see this effect, but of course it's something we're going to add for our Souls-like project a little bit later on. Okay, so that's how you can have fit array. So easy, so simple, just drag and drop. So that's it for this part. Well, that's not a part, that's how you can use the foot array. You can download it, of course, from my tool manager over here. I'll see you on the next one.